This video from the Famous Personalities series is about Rosalind Franklin. Rosalind Franklin was born on July 25, 1920, in London, England. She came from a well-educated Jewish family that valued learning and science. Franklin showed a strong interest in science from a young age and excelled in her studies. She attended St. Paul's Girls' School and later went to Cambridge University, where she studied chemistry. At Cambridge University, Rosalind Franklin studied natural sciences and earned her degree in 1941. She was particularly drawn to physical chemistry and worked in various laboratories to gain practical experience. After completing her studies, she continued her research in France, where she learned advanced techniques in X-ray crystallography. This knowledge would later become crucial in her work on DNA. X-ray crystallography is a technique used to determine the arrangement of atoms in a crystal. Franklin learned this method while working in Paris and quickly became skilled at it. She used X-ray diffraction patterns to study the structure of DNA and other biological molecules. Her careful and precise work laid the foundation for many important discoveries in molecular biology. In the early 1950s, Franklin began her research on DNA at King's College London. She created high-quality X-ray images of DNA fibers, which revealed important details about its structure. One of her most famous images, known as Photo 51, showed an X-ray diffraction pattern that indicated a helical structure. This image became crucial in the discovery of the DNA double helix by James Watson and Francis Crick. Rosalind Franklin made significant contributions to the understanding of DNA, viruses, and carbon. Her work on the molecular structure of coal also helped improve the understanding of energy resources. Despite her important discoveries, she often received less recognition than her male colleagues. Nevertheless, her research was vital in advancing the field of genetics and molecular biology. Throughout her career, Rosalind Franklin faced challenges as a woman in a male-dominated field. She often encountered discrimination and had to work harder to gain respect from her peers. Despite these obstacles, she remained dedicated to her research and continued to produce groundbreaking work. Her determination inspired many future scientists, especially women in the field. After her time at King's College, Franklin worked at Birkbeck College in London. There, she studied the structure of viruses, particularly the tobacco mosaic virus. Her research contributed to the understanding of how viruses function and how they can affect living organisms. Franklin's work in virology further established her as a leading scientist in her field. Rosalind Franklin passed away from cancer in 1958 at the age of 37. Although she did not receive the recognition she deserved during her lifetime, her contributions to science have been increasingly acknowledged. Today, she is celebrated as a pioneer in molecular biology and a role model for scientists everywhere. Her story highlights the importance of women in science and the need for equal recognition. Franklin's research has had a lasting impact on modern science, particularly in genetics and biochemistry. The understanding of DNA structure has paved the way for advances in medicine, genetics, and biotechnology. Her methods and findings continue to influence scientific research today. Rosalind Franklin's legacy serves as a reminder of the importance of perseverance and dedication in the pursuit of knowledge.